Pros and cons, higher floor versus lower floor living, which is better? If you're buying a residential property in a high-rise building, one of the several factors to consider is the type of floor ideal for your apartment. This dilemma naturally gives rise to a question. Which floor is better? Well, there is no right answer to this question as it mostly comes down to your lifestyle and personal preferences. Still, if you compare the two, you'll notice both options have their corresponding advantages and disadvantages. Let's look at the pros and cons of each in detail. Pros of higher floors. Better views. Living on an upper floor provides you with uninterrupted, superior views of the city's skyline. This sense of exclusivity is enhanced when you have your apartment near a lake, sea, greenery, etc. Reduced noise and better ventilation. The level of noise pollution on the higher floors is relatively less than on the ground floors. Sounds of traffic and other noisy commotion won't bother you much. Also, you can have more fresh air as compared to lower floors. Privacy and security. In the top floor versus ground floor tussle, top floors fare better when it comes to safety. Because they are less susceptible to break-ins from thieves and intruders, you can enjoy heightened security. Cons of higher floors. Accessibility. You will have to rely on elevators for moving in and out of your high-rise apartment. It can be a waste of time if the lifts fail to work or are under maintenance. You may also have to wait your turn during busy hours of the day. Emergencies. Evacuating a building during an emergency like a fire can be difficult. Moreover, it is more of a challenge when living with pets, children, or specially abled members. Higher pricing. Top-floor apartments usually come with higher pricing. However, with affordable home loan interest rates prevailing in the market, you can easily finance an apartment through a loan. Pros of lower floors. Convenient access. You can move effortlessly to and from your lower floor apartment. There is no need to depend on elevators. Furthermore, the move-in process is also smoother as it is easy to shift your furniture. Affordable property. The apartments on the ground floor are mostly cheaper than those on the top floor. Cons of lower floors. More noise and less privacy. With proximity to the road, a busy street, or other neighboring locations, lower floors may be susceptible to a lot of noise. Infestation concerns. Ground floors are more vulnerable to pests, rodents, and insects during certain times of the year. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.